sa lavabo, and then alcoholize your hands. Okay, for the meantime, hindi muna tayo gagamit ng gloves for this procedure. Mas maganda pa rin ng kamay lang talaga, na malinis na kamay. Okay, I am going to simulate na ito ang product. Pero this is just a tissue gel. Okay, this is the proper application of product. So you glide it on your hands, spread it on your hands. Okay, and then first is may art lagi. Okay, ito muna. Look at my hands. Kabaliktad. And then ito. And then 1, 2, and 3. Ganun lang. Ulitin ko ha. Ulitin ko. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Okay? So, kung may starting, may ending dapat. Normally, so ang tinuturo ko muna sa inyo ang simula at ang katapusan para mas maliwanag. O, diba? So, kanan. We're now going to begin our session. Okay? That's the beginning. Now, ending. Kunwari nagmamassage na ako sa kanya, tapos I'm already on the ending strokes. Okay? Kunwari, ending strokes. Nasa ending strokes na ako sa kanya. If I'm finishing it, lagi yung finish ko is a forehead, and then, I'll do that. My art. Okay? So after, kunwari dito na ako nagtapos, kahit hindi niya ginlide yung kamay niyo sa towel at niyo madumihan yung towel, but still, ganun pa rin. Remember, ang massage, pa nag-e-end kayo ng massage, how do you end your massage? Diba meron ding ending? Okay? Tama? At meron ding starting, which is a stretching. Ang facials, ganun din. So you have a beginning and you have an ending. So I just taught you the beginning and the ending. Okay, review. Product application is the beginning. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Okay? That's the beginning. Now, let's go to ending. Kunwari, busy ako ng facial. Busy, and then, mag-end na ako. This will signify that I'm finished. Hindi basta na lang nawala. Alright? Is that understood? Now, always the first ever technique that is being applied in a massage is effleurage. Laging effleurage. Okay, so I'll begin with effleurage. Effleurage of the chest. Muna ako. So, 1, 2. This is product application pa lang, ha? 1, 2, 3. Now, I'm going to make 3 counts of number 8. Ito, figures of 8. 1, 2, 3. Pwedeng 3, 5, or 7, or 9. Basta add numbers. 4. And then 5. Okay? So, next to that is effleurage of the neck. 1, 2. One pa rin yun. 2. I'm just applying the products. Wala pa akong ginagawa rito anything. but applying the products only. Okay, 3. Okay, now, see, nandiyan na yung products. No? Kung nadadry ang kamay, make sure dip it sa water, use service towel. Now, spreading the products on the face is as simple as without careful sa eyes. 3 times. And then, fan in, fan out. Fan in, fan out, fan in, fan out. Spreading lang yun ang products. Wala pa tayo na ginawang iba. Okay? So, start ulit ako, ha? Start ulit from the very beginning. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. And then figure 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? 1. Ang hindi lang natin i-erase ay ang larynx, ha? Itong Adam's apple. So, dapat hindi siya matouch. I mean, lalakdawan ninyo, hindi dapat nahihilang ganon. So, I'll make 3 counts on spreading this. 3. Okay? And then, spread ko naman sa face. 1. Tingnan nyo ha, 1. Hindi ko sinama yung mata. Yan, balik ang kamay ko. 2. 3. Okay, and then fan in, fan out. Fan in, fan out. Fan in, fan out. Okay. That is just product application. Can you do that? Can we have a workshop on that? Tapusin natin yun. O, ituloy ko muna to. Kaya pa? Tatandaan ba yun? Kaya pang ituloy to? O, kasi alam niyo yung mga nag-aaral ng massage, madali lang ko sa inyo. Okay, so, nakapag-product application na ako, di ba? Tama? Nakapag-product application na ako. Now, I'm going to give a full effleurage sa neck and décolleté. So, yan na yan. So, it's no longer number 8. But see, I'm doing it. Now, importante, when you are doing this effleurage, importante, you have variation of pressure. Variation, meaning, may magaan, may madiin, may magaan, may madiin, may magaan, may madiin. Boring yan kung puro magaan at boring din yan kung puro madiin. And you have to find the sweet spot. Okay, yung sweet spot is yung kung saan merong medyo pag i-inline mo, nagdidiin ka, like dito sa may trapezius, sa may shoulders, kasi medyo painful dito, di ba Karen? And relaxing pagka dito ng konti, di ba? Okay, so that's the sweet spot. So I'm gliding on the count of either 3, 5, 7, or 9. Okay? Now touching also the sweet spots ito. Okay? Masarap dito, di ba? Okay. Ayan. Okay, now this is the petrissage of the chest. Gliding. And then another. Sarap din to, no? Okay. Glide. Glide. 3 times. And then, i-end ko ulit ng effleurage. Mga 3 counts na lang ng effleurage. Always begin with effleurage and always end with effleurage. Okay, tandaan, always begin with effleurage, always end with effleurage. Okay, now, here. Okay? So, tapos na ako sa chest. I-review ko kayo sa chest. Review lang, ha? Review lang. Review lang. One more. Review. Okay. Product application, balikan ko. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Make 3 counts of 8. Or 5. 3. And then effleurage. 2. And then 3. And then product spread on the face.